My name is Mallory Trauber,
And I'm a program director at Living Classroom. Now that spring is here, we can't wait to plant tomatoes in our school gardens. Today, we're going to be making salsa. Let's get started. Do you think tomatoes are fruits or vegetables? That's right, tomatoes are a fruit because they form from flowers on the vine and contain seeds. Tomatoes start out as seeds that we plant in the garden. Those seeds germinate into tomato plants. The tomato plants grow small yellow flowers that are visited by pollinators. The tomato fruit formed from those flowers. What do we find when we cut the tomato in half? That's right, more seeds. Those seeds can be planted to start the process all over again. This is called a life cycle. Tomatoes are in so many of our favorite foods that we may eat almost every day, like pasta, pizza, ketchup, and salsa. Let's get started. To make your own salsa at home, you will need these ingredients: 4 tomatoes, 1 lime, 3 green onions, a half a cup of cilantro, a half a teaspoon of tahini, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and tortilla chips. You will also need these kitchen materials: a cutting board, a knife, a mortar and pestle, or something to smash the tomatoes with, like a wooden spoon and a sturdy bowl, a lime squeezer, scissors, 2 small bowls, and 1 medium-sized bowl. Step 1. Dice the 4 tomatoes and then crush them using a mortar and pestle, or another kitchen device good for crushing, like a wooden spoon in a sturdy bowl. Step 2. Cut the lime and juice both halves. Step 3. Use scissors to cut the green onions. A knife can also be used, but scissors make this job a little easier. Step 4. Chop the cilantro and set aside in a small bowl. Step 5. Measure out half a teaspoon of tahini, salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Mix together. Step 6. Combine all of your ingredients into a bowl and stir. You can leave the cilantro on the side if you're sharing the salsa with someone who doesn't eat it. Step 7. Dip and enjoy. This salsa making activity comes from our 3rd grade lesson, Life Cycle of a Tomato, but we hope everyone might enjoy making their own salsa at home.